The bag and essentials you decide to bring to Universal matter. If you're looking to make the most of your time while at Universal Orlando, there are some essentials you may want to consider bringing with you to help keep you comfortable, save you time, and help you avoid spend extra money when in the parks. As a Universal annual pass holder, there's always some essentials I like to pack with me to help me out throughout my day, and that's exactly what I want to share today. I want to share everything I pack in my Universal park bag. I'm a huge proponent of backpacks, and anytime you see me go to a theme park, there's a pretty good chance that I'm gonna have some type of bag on me. In the past, I have made a what's in my Disney park bag video, and a lot of the essentials that I bring to Universal are very similar to what I take to the Disney World parks, but there's some things that are a little bit different from the bags that I take to Universal compared to the bags that I take to Disney World. At Universal, some of the rides require you to use ride lockers and put all of your belongings in the locker before you get onto the ride. But the main thing that you're going to want to take note about these lockers are they are quite small. They're very narrow, they are quite deep, but they are very narrow and don't hold that big of backpacks. They do have much larger lockers that you can purchase throughout your day, but to save you some money, it's good to plan ahead of time what park bag you bring, so that way you can use the free lockers and avoid spending more money. I want to share exactly what bags I usually bring with me to Universal. My main one that I'm going to be showcasing today are Loungefly bags. I love this Harry Potter bag for a couple of reasons. One, it fits perfectly inside of the lockers. Usually I like Loungefly bags that have front pockets, but this one is quite nice because it's almost exactly the same size as what the locker widths are. So it fits perfectly inside. I don't have to worry about shoving it inside of the locker. The only thing I wish it had were side pockets, but it is a very perfect size and fits perfectly into the lockers. Another bag that I have recently started to use is this field bag from North Face. This is a sling style bag. I have loved using this at Universal. It really has surprised me, but I love this because it fits all the essentials I want to bring with me, and it's also a very comfortable design. It fits nicely on your back. And another thing is it easily slides to the front of you, and you can easily walk around the parks and still access any of the essentials that you want while you're walking around. Not only that, it does fit perfectly inside of the lockers. So anytime I go to put my stuff in a locker, I don't have to worry about it not fitting or shoving it in, and it fits very, very perfectly. Lastly, a bag that I'll use if I know I'm going in the evening and don't necessarily need to bring as many essentials, I'll usually just bring fanny packs. These are so nice because if you use fanny packs, you actually do not have to use the lockers at all. These are the one style of bags that you can take onto rides, and I've asked team members at Universal, but if you aren't wanting to bother with the lockers and you don't have that many things that you need to take with you, you can just use fanny packs or crossbody style bags, and you can easily get on and off rides without having to worry about the lockers, which is so nice. Usually I use backpacks because I have a lot of things that I want to take with me, so let's get into what exactly I pack inside of my Universal bag. Of course, we'll get into some of the commonly used items that usually go into park bags. I'll always take a wallet with me, and I've showed this in the past, but I love taking little card holder wallets. These are perfect because they don't take up a ton of space, and you can easily put the cards and the money that you want inside of it. Another thing that is an absolute must at Universal or any Florida theme park is your own personal water bottle. I always take a water bottle with me, whether I have a fanny pack, a backpack, I always have a bottle of water on me. Usually I'll either take just a plastic water bottle in case I need to throw it away or it gets lost or anything happens. It does fit nicely inside of the Loungefly bag. Another thing that I've started using are stainless steel bottles. So I have this little one that fits perfectly inside of the Loungefly as well, and it keeps your water cold very nicely throughout the day. That easily fits inside of the Loungefly as well and still saves a good amount of space for other items. But another thing that you can do at Universal is you can go to any of the quick service restaurants and you can ask for free glasses of ice water. Another thing that they have that you can easily refill water bottles with are Coca-Cola freestyle machines. These are placed numerous places around the parks, and you can easily refill with ice cold water, and that's going to keep you hydrated throughout your day so you don't have to spend money on bottled water. Another must are portable chargers. Like Disney World, when you go to Universal, you're going to be on your phone a lot using the Universal Universal Orlando app. This is a very handy app that helps you see all of the wait times, make mobile orders, or do anything that you need as far as trying to find things around the Universal parks, and it can be quite harsh on your phone battery. So I always recommend having some type of portable charger. Usually I'll use the fuel rods just because they are quite small, but at Universal they do have the swap out stations where you can swap them for other full fuel rods. The only thing is you do have to pay to swap at Universal, which I don't usually do. So what I'll do, instead of using the smaller fuel rods, I'll usually just use my much larger portable charger that I have, and I'll bring, of course, a cord so that way I can charge my mobile device, and it fits nicely inside of the Loungefly as well and still saves enough room for all of my other essentials. Going along with the water that I should have mentioned earlier, another thing that I like to bring to keep me hydrated and give me a little hydration boost throughout the day are liquid IV packets. You can also use flavor packets if you need encouragement to drink water throughout your day. I always recommend staying up on your hydration so you have enough energy and ways to get around to maximize your time at Universal, and I love that they come in these little convenient packs. Usually I'll only take about 2 a day. I'll just take some breaks to stop and refuel and recharge, and that's usually whenever I put the liquid IV inside of a water bottle to drink in the park. There are so many places we like to snack at Universal, but one thing that I always have on hand, even though I plan on eating in the parks, are snacks. I love having snacks so that way I can easily have something to eat when I'm in line, or if I'm hungry right away, I have something to eat, or just walking around the park and refueling. This is also good if you don't want to eat breakfast in the parks and you want to have something quick and easy to go. Usually we'll just bring breakfast bars or some type of fruit. Along the lines of food, again, another thing that I've brought for a couple of reasons, not only for food, but usually I'll bring Ziploc bags. Sometimes I'll have snacks inside of here, but I will bring some extra Ziploc bags with me. For one, if I decide to go on a water ride, it's nice to have something that will protect your phone. You can use lockers, but if I have my phone with me on the water rides, it's nice to have something that will protect it so it doesn't get water damage. Another thing, if you are eating somewhere and you have some leftovers, they don't necessarily give you to-go containers, so it's nice having a little baggie with you so that way you can put leftovers in there if you want to snack on them the rest of the day, or if you have a popcorn bucket and you want to disperse it around the rest of your party, you can use little bags to do that. And another freshening up essential that we'll usually take with us that I tend to forget is gum. I love bringing gum with me. I don't really have a flavor that I am necessarily partial to, but I'll usually get the packs of gum. Another thing that is a must for me is chapstick. I have to have chapstick on hand whenever I am in the parks, because if I eat something salty, or if it's sunny out, or if it's windy, I don't want my lips to get burnt, I don't want them to get windburnt or to get too chapped. I found that this has been really helpful to have on hand, and whenever I don't have it, I tend to miss it. All of these next essentials are weather related that I'm going to speed right through. The first thing that you should have on hand with you at Universal is some type of rain gear. I usually like to bring these little travel umbrellas. You may have seen me talk about these in the past, but these are so nice to have on hand. I usually like to bring umbrellas as far as rain gear goes. You can bring rain ponchos or rain jackets, but I find that an umbrella just works easier for me. These little travel umbrellas are so nice. They fit nicely inside of the Loungefly, but are perfect inside of the parks. Another thing that's nice as far as rain ponchos go, if you want to go on water rides, majority of the water rides at Universal get you absolutely drenched. So if you are wanting to go on some of those rides but don't want to get super wet, you can of course wear and bring rain ponchos ahead of time. I always bring sunglasses as well. Sunglasses are so nice to have in the park. It's so sunny down in Florida. It can be so bright. It can be very strenuous on your eyes if you don't have sunglasses. Another thing as far as being in the sun, I always bring some type of little sunscreen to reapply throughout my day. I get super burnt in the parks very easily, and you don't want to do that whenever you are on vacation. These last two essentials are also some of my must-haves, and the first ones here are hair ties. I love having hair ties to pull back my hair, especially since Universal has a lot more coaster-based attractions. Whenever I am on roller coasters, my hair tends to go crazy, and I don't like how it feels after I get off the ride. So anytime I get onto a ride, I'll usually have some type of hair tie on my wrist. Not only that, as far as weather goes, it does get very hot down at Universal during the summertime, and it's nice having something that can take the hair off of your neck and kind of cool you down. And a little entertainment type thing that I like bringing with me are noise canceling headphones. I love bringing these because it gives me something to do whenever I am in lines for rides or just taking a break in the park. So I like having noise canceling headphones to watch things on my phone, or I may be editing videos to post throughout my day. And just so you can see visually, there's still room that I have inside of this Loungefly here. And another reason why I like bringing backpacks is in case I do have leftovers or in case I do some shopping in the parks, I like having space that I can put something in my backpack so I don't have to carry it around the whole day. So that is my personal preference as far as backpack goes, and that's exactly what I pack inside of my Universal Park bag. That helps me save time, money, and keeps me comfortable throughout my days at Universal. But when going on your trip to Universal, packing your Universal Park bag is not the only packing you're gonna have to worry about. You're gonna have to think about all the other things that you want to bring with you on your trip. So I have a full packing for Universal video here, and also if it's your first time visiting Universal, here are some first time visit Universal tips. I would love to know what you personally like to pack in your Universal Park bag. Enjoy your trip to Universal, and with that, we will see you in the next video. See you guys!